So Innovating is the supplier of leak test equipment for our product, the AP6 pump.
So Inreda developed and delivered the AP6 system for the treatment of patients with diabetes type 1. And therefore Inreda developed a fully closed loop system to manage the diabetes of diabetes type 1 patients.
For us, leak tightness is very important for the pump. And quality is important for us and for the product. And therefore we choose for Innovating.
We introduced the LTC 802 to be here the right solution. One for the pressure decay test and the dosing test, and the other one for the flow test. The LTC 802 is right fit for the job, as it has the capability to store data in a higher sense, which is very important for Inreda. There's a barcode scanner connected, so they scan basically every assembly which they want to test. And with that data which is scanned, they perform the test, goes automatically, and in the end, after the test has been done, it will store the result afterwards and basically has full control over their data, which gives the full overview on the test which has been performed.
Together, we were very cooperative in developing the design of the tooling, and also they gave good inputs to us for the design of the pump.
During the engineering phase, it was also good to have good and easy contact between the engineering department of Innomatec and the engineering department of Inreda, for me and my team to come easily and quick to a good solution for our leak testing equipment.
Collaboration and a partnership with Inreda is that they also supplied their knowledge and their ideas about the product, so they have full knowledge about their product, and for that we could actually work together and find a proper solution.
The first objective is that we have proven the feasibility of this leak test capability, and for the future, when we are going to upscale our production, our capacity, we also can integrate this in more automatic equipment, and also that capability is at Innovating. We've also seen that over there. So this is more proof of principle, and then in the later phase we can more automate and make it more suitable for high volume production.
A real potential, of course, we see something very strong in the market. It's a unique product, something we have not seen before. We've done many leak test applications in similar shapes and sizes, but actually what Inreda has brought to the market is something revolutionary, which also we like to be part of. I think with the establishment of our partnership with Inreda, we see a huge and beneficial future for both of us, and something revolutionary also to the market.